way you look is a massive representation of your habits, your beliefs, and your overall attitude towards appearance. Being good looking is important. It is probably the second most important thing to attracting a good woman. The most important is your personality. But looks get you in the front door. Looks gives you an opportunity to convey your personality. We are going to do a full guide today on how to look as good as possible. Strap in for 5 steps to looking like a god. Step 1. Mastering your face. I am just going to spit facts. Take notes. Your face is your canvas. You want to achieve a radiant complexion by establishing a solid skincare routine. Incorporate proper nutrition by cutting out processed fatty foods that will cause acne breakouts. Drinking at least 2.5 liters of water a day to establish good hydration and look after your skin. And the right supplements to nurture your skin from within. One good supplement is the Clear Skin Supplement by Pore Favor. Embrace a nightly skincare routine with low oil creams. Practice effective shaving techniques and explore new hairstyles to keep your look fresh. Remember, a calm mind is the foundation for a good-looking body, as stress can manifest on your skin.
Here's the easiest 4-step skincare routine for men. First thing, you want to use a cleanser to remove all of the dirt from your pores. Then you're going to want to use a chemical exfoliant to help produce skin turnover and remove excess dead skin cells. The third, you're going to want to hit your face with a moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated. And lastly, you want to make sure you're wearing an SPF to prevent aged skin and dark spots.
Achieving a clear and healthy complexion requires consistency. In 2 weeks, your skin will be looking better as you apply low oil creams each night. Visualize the transformation you're bringing to your skin. This ritual not only nourishes your face, but sets the tone for a revitalized appearance. Step 2. Sculpting your body. Your physique is a testament to your commitment. 6-packs come from discipline and a good diet, not a Big Mac fucking meal from McDonald's. It is your duty to work out as hard as you can, as often as you can. Work out effectively with the guidance of a personal trainer to ensure your efforts yield optimal results. Incorporate cardio to stay lean. Focus on consistent AB exercises and maintain a balanced diet. Good supplementation not only supports your workouts but also keeps your skin clear. Embrace the journey of transforming your body into a godlike temple. Get your body fat low through your diet and cardio, and you will be chiseled like a fucking sculpture in no time. It is also important to set goals for your body fat. Wait, if you do not have a goal you are passionate about, you are more likely to procrastinate.
In total, after 9 months of disastrous training and so many injuries.
Consistency is key in sculpting your body. After each workout, take a moment to appreciate the effort you've put in. Visualize your goals and acknowledge the progress you're making. This mental reinforcement is as important as the physical exertion. Step 3. Commanding your presence. Presence is the mark of a god among men. Believe in your own greatness and let that confidence shine through. Speak loudly and clearly, projecting a relatively slow and melodic pitch that exudes authority. Command attention in any room by owning your space and embracing the belief that you are the man. A godlike presence radiates from within and captivates everyone around you. I am going to say this 3 times. Close your eyes and believe me like your life depends on it. You are the man. You are the man. You are the man. You should have access to all the exquisite pleasures that life has to offer, right at your fingertips. Believe it and achieve it.
If you want to sound confident, try speaking slowly. When we speak really fast, we sound really eager, like we're trying to get words out and we're defending ourselves. But when you slow down and you're nice and calm and you take your time to speak, people will tell you're calm and relaxed. You don't need to defend yourself, you don't need to rush, and it portrays you as a lot more confident.
After each powerful interaction, reflect on the impact you had. Take note of moments where your presence commanded attention. Use these reflections to refine your communication style and enhance the magnetism of your godlike aura. Step 4. Elevating your style. Style is the armor of a god. Elevate your fashion game with impeccable grooming, well-tailored clothing, and a keen eye for trends. Chuck out all of the shit that has holes in it, is not a good fit, or is just not you anymore. Regularly update your wardrobe, experiment with new styles, and ensure that your appearance aligns with your newfound confidence. Remember, a godlike presence is not just about looking good, it's about expressing your unique identity through your style. Here is a question. Do you think you would feel more confident in a baggy fit with a stain on the top that you did not wash for 3 days, or a well-tailor-made fit suit that has a nicely buttoned top underneath with a pungent smell of aftershave bleeding from it? The answer is obvious. Improve your style.
If you're looking for a stylish winter jacket, go for one of these.
Your style is an evolving expression of self. After each wardrobe update, take a moment to appreciate how your attire aligns with your identity. Experiment with different styles and make adjustments based on the reactions and confidence boost you experience. Step 5. Mastering the mind. The final step is the mind. The mind can be your greatest ally or your greatest enemy. It is the true source of godlike power. Embrace practices that foster mental clarity, resilience, and a positive mind. Meditation, affirmations, and continuous learning contribute to a mind that radiates confidence and wisdom. Cultivate a godlike mentality that transcends appearances and influences every aspect of your life. Nurturing your mind is an ongoing journey. After each meditation session or learning endeavor, reflect on the mental peace and insights gained. Your godlike mindset will not only enhance your appearance but elevate every facet of your existence. For those committed to the journey of looking like a god, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with those on the path to self-improvement. May your transformation be awe-inspiring and your presence godlike in every aspect of life.